How to add emotions on Elevenlabs. Now, first thing you do is just pull up your Elevenlabs account by going to your any of the browser you want. Go to elevenlabs.io and then make sure that you log into your account. Now, this is a tricky part. So, what you need to do is just decide whether it's going to be a text to speech or speech to speech, voices via sound effects. Now, right now, let's try text to speech. Now, for you to be able to access those kinds of feature in which you have to play along with the effects so you can add emotions to your speech, just simply press advance. There you go. So you'll just need to play on these settings on stability, similarity, the style, exaggeration, and then you can also add up on a speaker boost for the sounds. Now, let's say, for example, let's try this text. So let's generate speech with this kind of settings. So this kind of settings, the emotion is on a fast pace. Let's try to have all of them slow, then regenerate speech. So you'll just have to play along these settings for stability, similarity, and style. So once you get the hang of the settings that you want, you can go ahead and download that text to speech to MP3. So that's basically how you add emotions to Elevenlabs.